What's up, YouTube? Alright, well, as I mentioned in my last video, I wanted to take care of this whole lighting fiasco, and I took care of it, baby. So, just arrived not that long ago in my prime box. Yes, my prime box. Oh, it smells so lovely. Gotta find something to open this up with. Alright, so let me grab this. Can't wait to get to the bottom of all this. Finally fix all my lingering issues with my videos. And yeah, I can actually hide if I don't like something. And there goes my furnace, of course, like usual, every time I go to record something. Alright, so now that I've disappeared, let's crack this thing open. Crack it open. Alright, and got the cellophane, whatever, the, oh, there you are, little, you know, the air packing stuff, and, oh, okay, I'm gonna have to flip this upside down. This is not gonna come out. Alright. Boom, upside down, lift it up, toss the Amazon away. So here we go. The SL series video light. Ah, yes. 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 It is here. I'm gonna finally fix all my video issues. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see, what do we got here? I know, it's in the way. So this extremely long power cable, which I was aware of due to other reviews that I watched and checked out. It's an extremely long power cable, apparently. Find that out. It comes with a Godox warranty card. And, you know, the owner's manual thing for the actual product. And don't think it's all that difficult to figure out how to use. Should be pretty intuitive. Godox is usually fairly good with that stuff. And let's carefully take out the styrofoam here. Toss that aside. Oh, uh-oh. We're already getting the balls. Alright. Oh, yes. I forgot. I should have gotten 3 AAA batteries to run this. I'm sure I do have some somewhere. It's always nice to be able to control something, you know, from remote instead of having to go back and forth. No, it's all part of the system, right? Remote access to everything. Okay, so now let's try to get this out of the styrofoam. There we go. Alright, perfect. Yeah, got a little quality control pass card from Godox. Some silica gel packs. Alright. Alright. Carefully pull this out. Alright, there we go. And here it is. The SL60. I finally got it. So I guess, well, you can see the crazy setup that I have right now. Which, oh man, okay, this isn't gonna work. Hold on a second here, guys. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Nice and squeaky. And if you are thinking of grabbing one of these, it actually does have a hole for, is this like a little, oh, okay, oh, it just breaks off. Oh, that's unfortunate. I was hoping it was hinged. But there is a hole here specifically for putting an umbrella, which is what I'm going to be using at first. I was really hoping it was hinged, but it's not. It just breaks right off. Yeah, that's a little unfortunate. I wasn't expecting that kind of outcome. Alright, so here we've got this. And there was another video I was watching too, and they had actually mentioned that you can leave this on and it kind of becomes like a little snoot, and just you know, little beam will just fire through the direct center. but not entirely sure about doing it that way. And it is Bowen's mount, so that's exciting. Boom, that's pretty much it. That's pretty sick. Alright, so let's see, what else is there to do? Well, I guess first things first, what I'll do is show you the setup I'm using right now, and then I will set this up, and go from there. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I have everything set up right now. So I have my lamp with the upper lamp, and then I have the LED panel over there, and then I've got another LED panel down there on the table. So now that you've seen that, I'm going to stop this, set this bad boy up, and then turn it on, and then let's hope for the best and hope that my quality of the visualizations of my videos will be drastically improved. I'll be right back. Okay, this is crazy. Wow, this is crazy. I've got just the one LED panel at, what am I at, 50% power here? 20%. Got it down like pretty much all the way just for a little bit of fill in on the shadow side. And turn this off real quick. Boom. This, what you're seeing right now, is just from the Godox light. That's it. I've turned everything else off. Check it out. Off. Off. Just the umbrella with the Godox light. LED panels off. The mini LED panels off. And this is all that's on right now. That's it. That doesn't even show. There we go. Yeah, so that's all that's running right now, and I have it set at, where are we here? There we go. 30% power. It's at 27 Celsius. I'm not doing a whole review on the thing because those are all over. Those are already done. They're all over YouTube. You know, there are some complaints about the fan on this light. I don't find it to be absurdly loud or anything like that, so I'm okay with it. And this is now all off. So yeah, like I said, you know, you guys helped me out with the audio. I promised that I would get into improving the lighting on my videos. I can't even believe that this is all being done at like really low power with one light. Whew. I should have done this a long time ago, man. Wow. But anyway, back to what I was saying. So you guys helped me out with the audio. I promised I would, you know, improve on the video visualization aspect of everything in regards to the lighting, which I've now taken care of. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to making more content for you guys. It is a tough road because for me there is no return on investment in doing any of this. You know, I don't make anything off of any of these videos. So everything that you see me review are actually things I personally have bought and things that I personally own for myself. They're not donated to me, they're not given to me or anything. But as I always say in the descriptions, not sure how many people actually look at them, but if you'd like to support the channel, please buy some of my art from my store. I always have the links in the descriptions. Yeah, or if you'd like to make a donation, there's always paypal.me. I leave those links in the descriptions as well. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh, this is so sick. I told you it was gonna be sick. Yeah, so that's pretty much it from me. I'm just looking forward to making more content for you guys with, you know, higher quality, finally. And just thanks to all my subscribers for, you know, keeping me driven in regards to creating new stuff for you guys to sink your teeth into. And you guys will see me on my next video. I'm out.